Dear participant, Assalamu alaikum. This is the lesson of I sound, and we are going to use Jollyphonics program group for this teaching purpose. We are going to talk about the sound in the environment. There is going to be the introduction of new sound with story and action, and follow up with letter formation and sounding exercises. Let's have a look at some of the sounds done before.
A, A, pain. A, 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 ch, ch, jam, ch, ch, ch.
Okay, students, look at this jam or jelly over here. Oh, sound, next sound.
O, O, goat.
Okay,
O, O, O,
look at your sound card and then let's move towards the vocabulary basket. What else do we have in the basket? We can see there is a boy who cries, a girl who is satisfied, lots of flies, tie and french fries over here with us. Look at the sound of the day. This is I.
I, I, tie.
The sound can be in the beginning, can be in the middle, and can be at the end of the words. Let's look at the sound over here. Look at the sound that this is two letters are joining to make a long vowel sounds. You can see the tie and you can also see the pie over here. Okay, students. Now let's move towards the action of the sound. Say the sound, do the action, and pretend to be a sailor, saluting and saying, I. Let's look at the formation. You can also start pressing on the sound dot, come down, make round, and then you have to start over all over again. This is how you can work out. Okay, can you match the picture with the letter? Tie, pie. This is I sound, and you can find it anywhere. It can come in the beginning, it can come in the middle, and it can also come at the end of the words. Just like in the beginning, as in iron, in the middle, as in fries, at the end, as in tie. Okay, you can find blue skies, magpie, and lots of flies. Now, this is the time when we should look at our story. This is a story about pie. And who wants to have a pie? Look at the spies. They have got some spy cameras. Is there anyone at home? Is there any spy at your home? Okay, now this is the active time. You can count the ties and you can also make butterflies with your teacher. This is worksheet time. Take out your printed worksheets and start working on the formation and coloring practice. This is the group 4 of sounds, and this is going to be the sound of the day. I sound. Okay, let's move towards some other things at home. Cloth line where cloth dries, someone cries, fries, flies, and a tie. Finally, we can play this game. I'm a, iron, Ireland, magpie, And of course, we have got apple pie over here. You can play the role of the baby who cries, watch an aeroplane who is flying, that is flying, and this is a story. Bear flies high. You can talk about lies as well. Now, this is the time for the song.
Said aye. The captain said aye aye. Stand up straight, don't be late. The captain said aye aye.
Okay, now you can see that we are also working on the hand. We have covered short vowel sound earlier, and now this is the time for long vowel sounds. You can see the short vowel sound over here on the fingertips and the long vowel hands at the bottom. You can say with your teacher, sing the song, and play the games. Look at this game. It's a board game of all the long and short vowel sounds.
Short vowels that we use. A vowel is in every word, every word, every word. A vowel is in every word that we read or write. A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U are long vowels that we use.
So you can take the printout of this game and play with your friends, and you're not going to forget to taste dried fruits.